Hello everyone, welcome to SAISREE'S Corner. So today I'm going to teach you force and pressure part 2. So the first topic today we will discuss is direction of force. So these are the few points which were left on direction of force. So I have just given introduction to direction of what is direction of force in the last video, which is part 1. So today we are going to see what are the points which were left on that video. So first one is when the direction of force is applied, the impacts on the object also changes. Means when the direction of force is applied. So it means that when there is an object, okay, so when direction of force is applied, the impacts on the object also changes. Means whatever things in this and that object may change. It is not sure it will definitely change, but it may change. Next one is the force gets added up when the forces are applied in the same direction. So for explaining the second point, I am going to show you. Here you can see the first picture here. Yes, two boys are there and they are pushing a box. Okay, this is the object, this is the source of force. So they both are, means they are pushing in the same direction. Yes, so when they are pushing in the same direction, the box goes up easily. Suppose if there is only single boy and he is trying to push the box, okay, he can't push. So he asks his friend to help him. So when the both push the box in the same direction, the box moves up easily. Okay, so that is the point. When the force gets added up, means the force increase when the forces are applied in the same direction. If we apply the force in the same direction, the force gets added up. Okay, now next third point is the force gets reduces or subtracted when the forces are applied in the opposite direction. Now here you can see in the next picture, second picture, here you can see both the boys are applying force in the opposite direction. Okay, they are not applying in the same direction, but they are applying from in the opposite direction. When they are applying in the opposite direction, the box may not move. Yes, so suppose you think when someone is pushing you from this side, then another one is pushing from your right, then another one left. So when both are pushing you, you can't move this side, or you can't move to left, or you can't move to right. The ball, you will stand straight only. Yes, so that is the same thing happens here. When the force is applied in the opposite direction, the box neither move to the that side or to the this side. Okay, so this means that when the force is applied in the opposite direction, the force gets reduces or subtracted. Okay, this is the left points. These are the points which were left in the direction of force. I think you have clearly understood these points. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. Now, second topic we are going to discuss in this video is types of force. So there are two types of force based on their application. How we apply them on that type, there are two types. First one is contact force, next one is non-contact force. These are the two types of force based on their application. So first we are going to learn about what is contact force, then we will move to the non-contact force. Okay, so what is contact force? Okay, so for the simple way to understand, okay, here you can see the word contact. What is contact? Contact means in touch. So I think I have understood what is contact force. Contact force means when the source of force means the source from where the force is coming, that is called the source of force, is in actual contact with the body, is in actual touch with the body. What is the body here? To which, to whom, to which thing, to the thing which we are applying force, that is called the body. So when the source of force is in actual contact with the body, that force is called contact force. Here you can see in the picture, a man is trying to push the door, box, anything. Okay, so the man is the source of force because he is the one who is applying the force, or he that body, he that is the source of force because from him only the force is coming there. Okay, so he is the source of force, and the body to which he is applying the force, the door, box, anything. So that is the body. So see here, you can see the man and the body are in actual contact, means they are in touch. So the force that the man is applying is called contact force. So now the next topic we are going to discuss is what is non-contact force. So in the last topic we discussed about contact force. So non-contact force is actually the opposite of contact force. This force means in non-contact force the source is not in touch with the body. That force is called non-contact force. Example, magnetic force, then frictional force, sorry, friction not, gravitational force and electrostatic force. These are the example of non-contact force. We will learn about them in later video. So now we have classified our force into two types based on their application. Now these two types also have their means they are also divided. So first we are going to learn is contact force. So there are three types of contact force. First one is muscular force, second one is frictional force, and third one is mechanical force. Now non-contact force. So non-contact force has three types. First one is magnetic force, second one is gravitational force, and third one is electrostatic force. So now we will learn about each force in detail in the part 3 video. So topics discussed in this video. So now we are going to see what are the topics we discussed in this video. So first we read is direction of force, then types of force, then contact force, then non-contact force, then types of contact force and non-contact force. So thank you my dear friends. If you have understood this video, means if you understood all the concepts in this video, like my video and share my video and subscribe my channel to get more videos and press the bell icon to get your notifications.